Hello everybody, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Arrow Video's release of Raising Cain. Now this film has been delayed quite a bit, but there are good reasons for that, because this does have the director's cut, and this is the limited edition release. After this runs out, you won't be able to get the director's cut. So this is a film with John Lithgow. I do really like this cover art. If you know the film, you will know what it is referring to. So on the back, I'll just give a quick reading of it. John Lithgow plays 3 roles: child psychologist Carter, his evil twin brother Cain, and their Norwegian father, Dr. Nix, who likes to experiment on the young. Carter's wife is concerned that her husband isn't quite paying their daughter the right kind of attention. She's also having an affair which, upon discovery, threatens to send him into a psychotic rage. A relentless blend of murder, multiple personalities, cross-dressing, crazed parents, bizarre dream sequences, and stunning cinematic assurance. Raising Cain harks back to those twin masterpieces, Psycho and Peeping Tom, but is pure, unadulterated DePalma. So the limited edition contains 2 versions of the film on Blu-ray and a theatrical version on DVD. Optional English subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing on both versions. Reversible sleeve featuring original and newly commissioned artwork by Nathaniel Marsh. Booklet featuring new writings and on the film by Anne Bilson. Discs 1 and 2, theatrical versions, high definition digital transfer on the theatrical version. Hickory Dickory Dock, a brand new interview with actor John Lithgow. I'm really looking forward to that. The Man in My Life, an interview with actor Stephen Bauer. Have You Talked to the Others, an interview with editor Paul Hirsch. 3 Faces of Henry, an interview with actor Greg Henry. The Cat's in the Bag, an interview with actor Tom Bauer. Little Too Late for That, an interview with actor Mel Harris. Raising Pino, a brand new interview with composer Pino Donaggio. Father's Day, a brand new video essay about the multiple versions of Raising Cain by Chris Dumas. Author of Un-American Psycho, Brian DePalma, and The Political Invisible, and theatrical trailer. Disc 3, Director's Cut, Raising Cain, the Director's Cut, a DePalma endorsed recreation of the film by Pete Gelderblom, reordered as originally planned. Changing Cain, Brian DePalma's cult classic restored, an introduction by Gelderblom to the Director's Cut. Raising Cain recut, a video essay by Gelderblom on the origins and differences of the video's cut. And this is Region B locked, feature time 91 minutes, but I don't know what that one refers to, if it's the Director's Cut or what. So let's get this open. Talking of John Lithgow, I really wish that someone would release on Blu-ray The World According to Garp. I love him in that film, of course, along with Robin Williams. It seems to have been totally forgotten. So here we have the slipcover. That is limited, of course, really nice. Thick card, and there we have exactly the same. So here is the director's cut. There is the theatrical cut on DVD. And that is, I think that is the same or similar artwork to the Screen Factory, Shout Factory release, which came out, it was supposed to come out around the same time as the original release date as this, but I think this one is going to be a much superb release. So let's have a look at this booklet. That's a brilliant photo. There may be spoilers in this, if I haven't already spoiled it already, just so you're aware. So I would definitely pick this up as soon as possible so you can get the booklet and the slipcase. Let's check out the reverse sleeve. It doesn't want to come out. Got some static. There we go. It's not playing along. Yeah. I think I finally got it, well, roughly anyway. And demented, deranged, deceptive DePalma. When Jenny cheated on her husband, he didn't just leave, he split. I like that, but I think I am going to go with, well, seeing as I got the slipcase, I think I might actually just leave that, because the slipcase does have that artwork. So yeah, just push that down so it's all covered. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that boxing. I'll definitely check out this film, definitely recommend it. Take care for now. Peace.